Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a red bee only challenge. In Bee Swarm Tower Defense, I will skip past the tutorial, since no one wants to watch that. First, I will get everything I can. Now I will redeem all the codes. These codes don't work anymore, but I still tried them. Now we have 1,800 cash and a bunch of tickets. I skipped most of the spins, but I didn't get anything good anyway. Now I'm going to set some rules. And one, I can't spend Robux. I'm broke anyway. And 2, I have to get Precise Bee the only red mythic. And lastly, in 3, I have to get the tier 3 red bee shoulder guard as well as the mask. Now I'm going to spend all my money on bee eggs. One gacha has Precise Bee, but no reds except one. And the other has multiple red bees, but no precise. This is bad. I bought 6 of both. Oh man, no red bees. On to the next 3. Once again, to no red bees. Holy! That's the wrong legendary. On to the classic eggs. Oh yeah, did I mention that I can't use any eco bees? No red bees from 14 eggs. Let's sell the bees and buy more eggs. Let's try this again. I genuinely have the best luck, be jealous. Demo bee, but not Redmo bee. Wow, I got so many red bees so far. I'm actually gonna crash out. I hate the way Honeybee smiles. Time to sell and buy more. Yeah, maybe look at the trash can nets where you're going. I finally got a red bee. Red bee, you're my starter Pokemon. Waste my money on eggs. At least I have one red bee. I tried to get the first shoulder guard, but it needed items I didn't have. So I did the unthinkable. I bought more eggs. And got a rage bee, so now my red bee has a friend. Let's go to normal mode to finish my quest. I'm not gonna record all of this. I'm the first person to beat normal mode with this loadout. Let's go. I skipped past using the tickets, but I got nothing anyways. And I spent more money on eggs. Good luck when it comes to wanting that red bees. To be honest, I'm not even mad. The only that red bee we can get right now is Demon Bee, or Precise Bee, which isn't happening. Could have been 3 Precise instead of 3 Bumble. No Demon Bee. My last egg, so I'm gonna put jelly on it. My last lucky egg. Oh, my bippity bop. You can see how happy I was. Let's go try and do hard mode. Boss is way too hard. Why does it have to regulate its HP? Luckily, I have a revive. Let's see if I can do it this time. decided that I have a big skill issue. Well, I have no money and no tickets, so let's go to some endless. I got to wave 30, not bad. I finished a quest from that. You know what time it is? Gambling time, which I will skip. Let's buy more eggs. I only got original to eggs because they have precise B right now. Sell and buy more. If you're wondering is why no commentary, it's because I already got all the red Bs except precise. Also, do you guys think QBB is a .red B or not? So I know if I can use it. Let's go to normal mode. I finished no quests from that, sad. More gambling, which I will skip. Well, that's going to be all for today's video, because I also have to work on my accounts. Besides this one cause on my account, I'm also not good at this game. I'll probably post that part to Tamarosaya, guys.